Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The World of Engineers. In this video, we are going to show you a formula that automatically counts number of items or substances in a particular or specific portion of a column. For example, here we have towers, different type of towers in column number A. But here we want and we are interested to find number of suspension towers. Number of suspension towers that belongs to this portion of column A. Like from row number 4 to row number 10, we want to count number of suspension towers. For this we will use COUNTIFS function. So how you can use COUNTIFS function? You can follow me. To count number of suspension towers from row number 4 to row number 10 of column A. Here you have to note that I have written start of that portion 4 and end of that portion here 10. So now you can follow me. Double click, enter criteria range, enter array where you want to search in column A to A, and now you have to enter start of the portion from where? From row number 4. Colon is here for range. Again use index and where you want to, now you have to enter the endpoint 10. So here we want to count from row number 4 to row number 10 in column A. Now you have to enter what you want to count. For example, here I want to count number of suspension towers. So I have to write here suspension and enter. So now you can see that there are 4 suspension towers in this portion from row number 4 to row number 10. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also count number of tension towers. So if you want to count number of tension towers, so you have to enter tension in place of suspension.